Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the 2025 Guinness World Records game that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say that this one is pretty fun. We kind of like tried it with my wife yesterday, kind of like doing a short game, and it's kind of fun. I have to say that it's fun to play. It comes with all the instructions over here in this little sheet, so you can actually learn how to play it. It also comes with 4 dry erase boards for the players, so you can actually use this one with the markers because it also comes with the markers and you can erase the markers as well. So that is a really nice thing to have as a number one, a fun thing. Number two, a competition, just having a competition, and also a nice win, kind of like a nice way for kids to learn. So you have 400 cards. This one right here, you're gonna have all these cards over here. So you just like pick one. Every player has a set amount of time. So it says, for example, this is just a random one. It says, as of January 17, 2024, blah, 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 had the most TikTok followers for a chef. So you have the options. It says Tabitha Brown, Barack Otzemmer, Eitan Bernard, or Tiffy Cooks. Put the answer over here, time's up, and whoever got the answer correct makes the points. The answer was B, Barack Otzemmer, and it also Otzemmer, and it also tells a short explanation of why and what that person did. The largest ever horn spread on a steer is approximately the same length as a SAR-4, 2 grand pianos, a standard bathtub, or an Avenger man. Answer B was the correct one. Let's just pick another one, random one again. Who is the youngest musical artist to have signed with Sony ATV? Taylor Swift, Dua Lipa, Billie Eilish, or Mariah Carey? The answer, of course, is A, Taylor Swift. This is just so fun. It is a fun game to play, like in a rainy day, or if you want to play with your kids and make them to learn as well. And you have the erase, kind of like the dry erase boards over there, the markers, box, instruction manuals, and all those cards to just have fun with the 2025 Guinness World Records.